Hello guys, activating your CyberGhost VPN subscription ensures that you are protected online. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1 is creating your account and entering your credentials to log in. Now, after logging in, navigate to your account dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right that will look something like this, choose account settings. Now, navigate to the use your activation key option that will look something like this. Here, enter the activation key received via email. Now, after entering your activation key, click Use. After you do this, return to your account dashboard. Under the app section, select your device operating system, click the download link and install the application. Once installed CyberGhost VPN application, log in with the same credentials you used on the website. Once logged in, you can connect to a VPN server and enjoy secure browsing. So by following these steps, you can activate your CyberGhost VPN subscription and enhance your online privacy and security. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.